Hey, good morning, folks. This is Greg with Produced. Today, I want to show you our indoor hydroponic system. We call it the Inland. I want to show you exactly how it works. We've been putting them into homes and restaurants here in the metro Atlanta area. But I also want to show you how the towers inside the Inland are changed out and how the modules that are inside the towers are changed out. So, got a couple minutes, hang out with me. I'll show you exactly what we're doing here. This is an 8-tower system, so I'm going to put the phone down and demonstrate exactly how the system works. On our 8-tower system, it's a 5.5-gallon tank. It holds 5.5 gallons of nutrients and water, but this is the actual pump where the nutrients are pumped out of the reservoir to the top of the system, and then from there drip emitters will actually feed the roots of the plants that are in each of the towers. Okay, this is a 5-foot tower. It fits in the bottom of the reservoir inside its grooves. Same thing up top. So all that's done, I'm holding the camera at the same time, you lift the tower up. It comes out of the bottom groove and you just slide it down and the entire tower comes out. Okay, it goes back in the same way it came out. The top of the tower goes in its fitting up top first, like such. You push it all the way up to the top, let the bottom go in, and it fits in its groove, and you're done.